If you're looking for trouble, boy, you come to the right spot. Hey, put that thing down now. You're not gonna get hurt. Down!
Well, what do you think? Those are the worst headaches. The ones between the eyes. Well, you just pissed me off. I bet this'll stop.
Oh no! Oh, no! Damn this chainsaw! Let's go, Brad. If you think I'm doing all the work while you're out there playing yourself, you got another thing coming. Let's go! It's time to get to work!
Really shouldn't fall to pieces over me.
No, please! Please!
You should never hitch a ride with a hearse.
Please, no!
Unless you're dying. You hitchhikers are all alike. Stuck in a row. Maybe we can still save you. I prescribe a long rest and a vaccination.
You always say cool. This place...
Hear us. It's all a bunch of bullshit.
Be careful, honey.
Excuse me, sir. I'm just wondering if you can help us out.
Depends on what it is, whether I can help you or not.
Alan and I were looking.
Sorry, we're full up. Yeah, I know of a house a couple of guys are rebuilding. It's the old Bailey house up on County Line Road. Take a right off the main road, go about 8 miles, you'll come to a gravel road called County Line Road area where they're fixing the house. Yeah, I'll see you sooner than you think.
Got it.
Hey, Bubba. Who the hell are those punks on the bike?
A couple of guys looking for work.
Were they construction workers?
Yeah, they were. I sent them over to the Bailey house.
That's the end of the penetrating love story. Or at least this is the end of this love story.
The house by herself. Come on. Shit, you scared the hell out of me. You haven't seen a guy or a girl around here, have you?
Move to the tree. Put your arms around it. Hands up high.
Look, if it's money you want, I'm afraid you struck a dry hole. I'm busted.
It's not money I want. It's revenge, asshole.
Oh, come on. I didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything to me. Like hell. Think back 6 months ago. Now I'll show you how it felt.
This is not funny.
Go ahead and scream. Remember? Nobody came when I screamed.
All I did was watch.
Bye-bye.
Just a minute. Oh, baby. You're crazy. Back me up just a little bit higher. I think I'm about to... Look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean anything by what I
Sorry's not
said.
enough. You gotta die.
You killed him!
I'm sorry. You just don't understand.
Yeah, maybe we can do some poems. Anybody home? Hey! Anybody home? Maybe over there in that old barn. They don't have phone, they have gasoline. Anybody home? Hello?
You girls shouldn't get so excited. Not over me, anyway.
Who are you? What do you want? All I wanted was some gas.
It's time to do your nails, darling. You want to look pretty in hell. This'll be a gas. This must be 2 for 1 day.